Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another HelloFresh unboxing, so let's check it out and see what's inside. This is how it arrives, insulated. We have the recipe cards on the side and some coupons. Here is the inside of the box with the meal kits. The first meal kit. Here is the second meal kit. Here's the note that there's more ingredients under the ice pack. Looks like I went ground beef crazy this week. I think all of my recipes are ground beef. So I have 4 packages of ground beef. And the last one. There are actually 2 more ice packs underneath all of that ground beef. I just glanced at the recipe cards and there has been a slight error. I did order meatloaves with sweet chili glaze, so that's one of my recipes. But the other recipe is a burger recipe, and they actually sent me the recipe card for some chicken. But I think all of the recipes are online, so that should not be a problem at all. So let's check out the meal kits. So since I have the recipe for the meatloaves, let's check out that bag first. So here it is. This is meatloaves with sweet chili glaze, and I am intrigued by the sweet chili glaze. I love sweet chili sauce. This kit we have scallions, panko, jasmine rice, 2 packages of broccoli, sesame seeds, Korean chili flakes, another jasmine rice, ketchup. This is bulgogi sauce. I think we've had this in another recipe. It's so good. And at the bottom of the bag, we have some ginger and a lime. Prep time is 10 minutes, the cook time is 40 minutes, and the calories are 760. First of all, I made the meatloaf by combining the ground beef with the scallion whites, the panko, the ginger, and salt and pepper. Meanwhile, I started the rice. I added the ginger and some butter into a pot and then added some water and the jasmine rice and let that cook together. While that was cooking, I cut the broccoli into bite-sized pieces and put that onto a pan, and then I made the meatloaf into loaves. While the meatloaf was cooking, I mixed the ketchup with the bulgogi sauce and added a little bit of lime juice. And then I brushed or spooned that over the meatloaf for the last 2 or 3 minutes so that could cook in. And here is the finished meatloaf. You can see the broccoli there in the back as well. And this is the final plate. This was delicious. I loved the flavor of the sauce in the meatloaf, and I really loved cooking the rice with the ginger. Here is the photo challenge. I think I did pretty good on this one. And as always, another great HelloFresh meal that I would definitely order again. All right, the card that they actually sent me was for citrus and spice marinated chicken. And it looks really delicious, but I didn't think my family would eat the couscous, so that's why I didn't choose this one. But now I'm kind of having second thoughts because it does look good. But I don't have my correct recipe card. Like I said, I believe all of the recipes are online, so I'll just look there later. But it is for mozzarella stuffed Caprese burgers. Doesn't that sound amazing? Okay, so in this kit, we have some potato buns, sour cream, tomatoes, mozzarella, pesto, mayonnaise, Italian seasoning, and a bunch of potatoes. So I'm gonna guess the prep time is 10 minutes and the cook time is 40 minutes. That is my guess. And we'll see. I am going to go ahead and try these burgers tonight. And so let me go find that recipe and stay tuned and we'll start cooking the burgers. First of all, I cut the potatoes and then I tossed them on a baking sheet with some olive oil and the Italian seasoning provided. And I cooked those for about 20 minutes. Next, I mixed the mayonnaise with the sour cream and the pesto and mixed that together. Meanwhile, I made the burgers with the Italian seasoning. I was supposed to add the pesto, but I forgot. But here I am folding the mozzarella inside the burgers And this is what it looks like with the mozzarella inside. I forgot to video me actually cooking the burgers because I got so caught up in it, but I did cook the tomatoes with some olive oil and salt and pepper. And here is the final plate. My family just loves how the mozzarella is stuffed inside. This was a great flavor, a delicious burger. The potatoes were wonderful. I would definitely order this one again. Oh, also the buns were amazing. So just another delicious meal that everyone enjoyed. If you're interested in trying HelloFresh, I will have a coupon code in the description below, so be sure to check that out. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.